In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Left 4 Dead 2 on any PC or laptop. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. First, open up your browser. In the search bar, type Steam and press Enter. Once the results appear, click on the Welcome to Steam website. After that, look for the Install Steam button and click on it. Then click Install Steam again to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and install Steam on your computer. After installing Steam, open it and head over to the search bar. Type Left 4 Dead 2 and select it from the results. Now, to download the game, scroll down and click on Add to Cart. After that, click on View My Cart, then select Continue to Payment. Finally, complete the purchase, and the game will be added to your library and start downloading. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. You can also check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.